So we're excited to be down here in Cedar City today with Dewey and the team to officially welcome them on board and open the office. We've had a whole bunch of our real estate and community partners in town in the office today with the ribbon cutting ceremony. We're really excited about all the good things that's going on. We have building in Iron County and Cedar City.
I'm Dewey Warder with Cedar City Intercap. We just had our open house. Come over to Intercap maybe 7 weeks ago. It's just, time's flying by, but it's been awesome. We made this switch and it's just been phenomenal. So I've never had files and underwriting go so smooth in my life. So, and I heard that, it's possible to close stuff in 14, 15 days, but didn't believe it, but we're seeing it.